With Thanksgiving and Christmas right around the corner, I thought it would be fun to do a series of videos about holiday recipes. Now, some of these will be mine, some of these will come from other people, and some may even be product reviews. In this video, let's take a look at the Popeye's Cajun turkey. It's fully cooked and all you have to do is reheat it. And the recipe part comes in if you want to use the drippings to make gravy. This is really easy to order online. Just go to the Popeyes website and place your order. It should cost you $54.99 with local pickup, and you want to get it at least 3 or 4 days in advance to let it thaw. If you have it shipped to you, the price goes up to $99.99, so pick it up if you can. While you can't specify the size of the turkey, each one should be about 12 pounds, so plenty for 4 to 6 people with leftovers. This is what it looks like when it's all thawed out. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You'll need a big roasting pan, and I lined mine with foil for easier cleanup. Now, the instructions say to roast it in the oven just like this at 350 for an hour and a half. But I read an article that suggested cooking it this way covered for an hour and 15 minutes, and then blasting it at 450 for the last 15 or 20 minutes, just to give it some color. So that's what I did. I covered it up with foil just loosely, and I set a timer for an hour and 15 minutes. This is what it looked like after it was done. Not really that different. Believe it or not, this is what it looked like after blasting it at 450 degrees for an additional 20 minutes. Let's just say this turkey isn't going to win any beauty pageants. It doesn't get that much more color by blasting it, but it does give you a tiny bit of texture on top. You won't really get any crispy skin if that's what you're looking for. The question is, how does it taste? First off, the wings and the legs will just come right off. This is cooked really well beforehand, and all you're doing is heating it up, so it's very tender. The breast meat was flavorful and juicy, and it wasn't too dry, not at all. As for the dark meat, it was fall off the bone, and it kind of tasted like turkey ham. The flavor profile on this is vaguely Cajun. You'll get the most seasonings on the pieces with skin, and it's really tasty on the inside as well. It's definitely been brined. Now personally, I found it a little bit on the salty side, but my husband thought it was just fine. It's really going to be up to your taste. If you like Popeyes, you'll probably love the flavor of this turkey. In my opinion, based on the ease of preparation and how it tasted, I would give this turkey an 8 out of 10. It's perfect for people who are unsure about how to cook a whole bird, or somebody who just needs to bring something to a dinner. Just don't expect it to look like the picture on the website. You'll definitely want to carve this up before serving it. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Have you ever had the Popeyes Cajun turkey before? I'd love to hear from you.